Is this for me? Is this for me? A magical train! Can I play too? No! It's mine! Oh no! Oh no! My new train is broken. You broke it, Tobby! But we were both pulling it. I only wanted to play with you. Playing alone isn't fun anymore.
What happened here, Lumi?
Tobby won a train. We pulled it and it broke.
How do you think Tobby felt when you wouldn't share?
He must have felt left out.
Toys are enjoyable, but sharing them makes playtime even better.
Tobby, I'm sorry I wouldn't share. And I'm sorry I blamed you. We were both pulling it. I forgive you, Lumi. Maybe we can fix it together. Let's try.
Working together is a wonderful idea.
Wow!
I'll hold it steady.
And I'll connect it. Here, Tobby, you can add the last piece. You can have the first turn. Thank you, Lumi. We fixed it! We fixed it! Sharing really does make playtime better.
When we share, everyone can smile.
Next time we'll play together from the beginning.